Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In previous video, I explained the Python string methods up to 40. In this video, I am going to explain the rest of the methods from 40 to 47. Please follow the video. Let me show you. What is a strip method? Strip is going to return the trimmed version of the string. So here is the example for the strip. I have some underscores before and after the string. I want to remove. So you can use the strip method. It is going to remove the underscores here before and after of the string. So lstrip means left side trimming. Take this example here. Let me show you. Left side trimming only. Print of a dot lstrip of. You need to mention here which you want to trim. Take this one. And here execute and see. Only left side part only deleted, but here you can see I just given the same argument but both sides are trimmed. And rstrip means right side trimming. Take this example and I want to trim in the right side. Print of a dot rstrip of, you can write down, you can see only right side but left side you have the same. Next, remove prefix. So if you want to remove only remove the prefix, it will remaining part will be printed. Take this same here and I am going to print off a dot remove prefix. You can see why you are getting the error, because it takes exactly one argument, but I haven't given any argument. That's why it's raised the error of type error. So let me write which one you want to remove. The prefix. This is prefix. Execute and see. And we have one more method is remove suffix. Suffix means right side, this side. To the string. Take the thing and you can write like a print of a dot remove suffix of. You need to write like a which one you want to remove. Control C. You can see. This is suffix. And next is maketrans and translate. What is maketrans? Maybe I have some string here. str1 is equal to all are regular. You can see regular. So wherever a is there, the character a is there, in that place I want to replace some image or maybe some special symbol, some special character I want to replace it. Then how to write? Maketrans. First it is going to create one mapping table. So I am going to take some example. res is equal to str1 dot maketrans of. This is a maketrans is a method. It is going to create the mapping table. So which character place you want to maybe in place of A, I want to add this symbol. For example, at the rate. Wherever A is there, there I want to replace with the at the rate. So go to print of res. You can see. Because these are the dictionary output. So A value is 97 in the backend ASCII table and at the rate value is 64. If you want, you can check it here in the ASCII table. At the rate you can see 64. It is 64. And A you have like a number is small a 97. Or else I will show you one more way. If you want to check with the character CHR and you can write the number inside, symbol going to be printed. What is the symbol? 97 numerical number I written in the char and you can see A is the output. The character is A. Same like if you can write like a print of CHR of 64. What is the symbol of 64? It is at the rate. Now mapping table is created. This is the mapping table. Then translate going to use the table. Based on that it is going to replace wherever A is there, in place at the rate will be replaced. Let me show you the code. Print of, you can take like a str1 dot, that means first you need to write the string variable name dot translate of res. Now you can see at the rate wherever A is there, the character A is there, in that place A at the rate was replaced. Let me show you one more example. Maybe some emoji I am going to take it. So here you can take the same thing. Instead of at the rate, I am going to take some symbol here. You can see the emojis here. I am going to take any symbol, you can take it. This is a smiling face with smiling eyes. Just take this and place it here. So print of res, it is going to create the mapping table. And if you want to see what symbol is there in this number, just go to print of character of CHR. What is the character in 97? Small a, you can check it here, it is A. And I want to see the emoji number. So the symbol CHR of, you can write the number. What is the number here? 128 516. Just see. This is the symbol. Now I am going to do the translate, because mapping table, the translate will use this information, the mapping table information, and it will replace in place of A, the emoji going to be replaced. So write down print of, the first you need to give the string name is str1 dot translate of. In translate of which information? Res. You can see. You can replace with any character. Next, the last method is split lines. What is split lines? Where it is going to return wherever the break line is there. There it is going to be splitted. So let me show you. I have a small story here, one small paragraph of the story. Just print of str1 dot split lines of, wherever the break line is there, there it is going to be splitted. Split lines, you can see. So first where it is ending this one, maybe let me zoom out a little bit because I can't able to show you completely. Yeah, for this explanation purpose, you can see the first line was ended here every day. So the break line, you can see this is the first break line, After that stream, the second break here, it is not here, this is not, this one is the stream, you can see here, second and third split line, it is in back, and fourth split line, it is in the line number 4 is ending with the same, and lesson 2 is the next break line, like this you can see the break lines. So if you want to count how many break lines are there, just instead of writing directly the print statement, you can store the information into one of the variable, and now go to print of len of a. You can see total 9. So these are the total 47 methods in string. So thank you, and in next video I am going to explain about the data structures list, the properties, functions and methods. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.